In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to use Google Cloud Storage API to generate a signed URL in Python. So the signed URL is a Google Cloud Storage feature to grant temporary access to allow people to download or view a file without needing a Gmail account or permission. Before we start the tutorial, you'll need to create a service account if you don't have one. And if you are new to Google Cloud, you can watch my tutorial on how to set up a Google Cloud project from the link in the description below. Alright, so first we need to enable the Google Cloud Storage API by going into Google Cloud Console. Then want to expand the navigation menu, then go to APIs and Services. Then want to click on Library. Now here want to search for Google Cloud Storage. Now go ahead and enable the API. So click into Cloud Storage and make sure that the API is enabled. Next, we need to install the Python dependencies. And there's only one single library that we'll need to install. And here, let me increase the font size. All right, so I want to type pip install Google-Cloud-Storage and enter. Now, for demonstration purpose, I'm going to download this object here. Let me go into my bucket first. Under my GG lesson demo bucket, I have, let's do this CSV file, employee salary.csv. So here, let me go ahead and create a Python file. Now name the file mo.py. And let me open the file in VS Code. From the import statement, I'm going to import the data module. Then from google.cloud, I'm going to import the storage module. And here, let me enable the environment. Next, I'm going to create a function. And I'll name the function generate pre-signed URL. And this function takes 3 parameters. So 2 required parameters. One is the bucket name. The other one is the object name. Now in Google Cloud Storage, they use the terminology block to represent an object or a file. Expression is going to set the object's expression. So basically, after how much time passed, the link is going to expire. Now here, the 3600 represents 3600 seconds. So in this case, it will be 60 minutes, so 1 hour. And I believe that the maximum duration is 7 days. You might need to Google the maximum duration. I can't really remember, but I do believe that is 7 days. Now inside the function, we're going to initiate the storage.client object. Now taking the storage client object, we can reference the bucket by using the bucket method. Then we'll supply the bucket name. And once we create a reference to the bucket, we can reference the object. In this case, it will be the file that you want to create a pre-signed or signed URL. And finally, to generate the URL, so we'll take the blob object, then use the generate signed URL method. And we'll supply the expression. So here we need to convert the expression into time delta. So that's why we need to import the data module. Inside that module, there's a function called time delta. Then we can convert that into the correct format. Then we need to set the API method. In this case, will be the get method. And when we call the method here, it's going to generate the signed URL. Then we want to return the URL string. All right, so here let's do a test run. So I'm going to create my bucket variable. And I'll grab the bucket name. And for the file, I'm going to take this file here. So I'll grab the file name. And I'll name this as object name. And I'll assign the file name. Now I'll go ahead and code the function. And I'll provide my bucket name and the object name. All right, so here let me take out the parameter. Now for the expression duration, I'm going to set this to 60 seconds. Actually, let's do 120. for 2 minutes. Then I'm going to save the output as URL, and I'll print the URL. Now save the file and run the script. It was pretty quick, so it took about less than a second to create the URL. If I go ahead and click on the URL, and here, oh, I know why, because my service account file is linked to a different project. So let me use a different project. All right, so I'm going to change the bucket name, and I'll create a URL for this hover.wave file. And let me try again. Oh, and I have a empty space on both ends. Right, so one last try. And here's the URL. Now I'm going to click into a URL, and it's going to prompt me to save the file. So this is going to be everything I'm going to share in this tutorial, and hopefully you guys find this video useful. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.